Position yourself for AI engineering roles with salaries ranging from €45,000 to €55,000. As an AI engineer, you will design, build and deploy intelligent systems that drive modern technologies. You'll work with tools like Python, machine learning models, RAG, and advanced AI frameworks to develop solutions for business challenges. These skills are in demand across industries such as finance, healthcare, technology, retail, and more. Upon completing the AI Engineer Career Program, you'll be qualified for roles such as AI Engineer, Machine Learning Engineer, AI Software Developer, and Data Scientist, with the potential to progress into senior AI and machine learning positions. This program covers essential modules including AI fundamentals, Python programming, machine learning, RAG techniques, and cloud technologies. You will complete practical projects designed to simulate real-world challenges and add valuable experience to your portfolio. Throughout your journey, certified mentors will guide you through the qualification, while recruitment specialists will support your transition with CV reviews, LinkedIn optimization, and interview preparation. Seats are limited. Contact our career consultants today.